Hi, Dan. Good evening. Good evening. Hello, hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, Dan? Are you feeling great today? How are you today?
Uh, I'm I'm very happy.
Oh, really? Really? And what did you eat for dinner?
Yes, I eat at 5 p.m.
Oh, 5 p.m. Oh, and what did you eat? What did you eat for dinner? Did you eat rice?
I eat rice and fish.
Oh, rice and fish. Oh. How about Hundong? Why Hundong is sick today? He is puking. Is her
I
is his
don't
tummy
know.
worse? I don't know. Okay. So now are you ready? Are you ready for our new lesson for today?
Yes,
Yes, okay. So for our new lesson for today, so we have a unit 7, which is all about, what is this?
personality.
Okay, very good. So when we say personality, Dan, what do we mean by personality?
Hmm.
Hmm. For example, funny. Funny is personality. Serious, quiet. Hmm. Kind. Kind is personality. So with those
Friendly.
friendly, yes, very good. Friendly is a personality. So what do we mean by personality?
Mm,
Okay. So when we say personality, so it means it is how a person usually acts. So how they feel and how they talk. So like for example, someone is kind, so that is how they act. They are kind. Friendly. Friendly is a personality. So you always act friendly. So that is a personality. So it is how we act, how we talk to other people, and how we feel with other people. So that is our personality. So how about you, Dan? What do you think is your personality? What is your personality? Are you also friendly? Are you kind? Hmm.
mm, um, Friendly.
Oh, you're friendly. Wow. That's a good personality. Okay. So, so let's start this lesson about personality. So you will learn again vocabulary, reading and discussion, reading question and discussion. Okay. So let's start with our vocabulary or new words. So we have here again, what is this word? This is
Personality.
okay, very good. Personality again. When we say personality, Dan, what is personality?
Friendly.
Yeah.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Quiet.
Okay, very good. So that is or that those are examples of personality. So but when we say personality again, so can you read this one? Personality is
Personality means how a person usually acts,
acts.
feels, and
Okay, again, let's say this word. Let's read this word. Acts. Yes, acts. Very good, very good. So again, personality, how a person usually act, feels, and talk. So personality, it shows some if someone is kind, if someone is selfish, quiet. talkative, funny, or serious. So those are examples of personalities that people can have. Okay, so like your personality, you are friendly. So that is a personality. And next, we have here our next example of personality. So can you please read this one?
Introvert.
Okay, so again, let's say introverted.
Introverted.
Okay, very good. So are you familiar with the word introverted? I think we discussed this last time or last time. Are you
Uh,
familiar with introverted? By looking,
Introverted. I
yeah.
is quiet.
Yes, very good. By looking at the picture, so when we say introverted, these are the persons who are quiet or people. These are the people who are quiet, they are shy, they like to be alone. So those are introverted. So for this one, since we mean introverted as someone who likes to be alone. Sometimes that. Do you like being alone? Sometimes. Do you like being alone? Or
Uh,
since you are friendly, so you like being with your
uh,
friends?
Introvert.
Yeah. Oh, the other one, you are the other one, which is this one. Can you read this one?
Extroverted.
Okay, very good. Extroverted. Again, let's say extroverted.
Extroverted.
Okay, very good. So when we say extroverted, so it is the opposite of introverted. So extroverted means these people are friendly, they like to talk to people. So are you extroverted?
Yes.
Yes. And do you like talking to many friends?
Yes.
Oh, so that means you are very extroverted. Because me, I'm introverted. I mostly want to just be alone, and I do not socialize much. Yeah, so that's it. So introverted and extroverted, those two common personalities that people has. Okay, so next example of personality that we have is this one. Can you please read this one?
Hardworking.
Okay, when we say hardworking, can you share your
What
ideas?
doing?
Oh no. Okay. So when we say hardworking, Dan, can you share any ideas that you have with this word? Hardworking. From the word hard, working. What do we mean by that?
Mm,
Yeah, you can say at least a word that is connected to hardworking. Yeah. What do we mean by hardworking? Hardworking. By looking at the picture, what is the man doing?
do my homework.
Yes. So the man is doing work or working hard. So when we say hardworking, so these are the people that they work a lot or works a lot. So they are not lazy. That is why they are called as hardworking. So one example is your mother and father. Example of hardworking. So your mother and father are hardworking. So that's it. How about you, Dan? Are you hardworking, especially at school? Are,
Yes.
yes. And what do you do? What do you do to work hard at school?
Um, a lost, a lost homework.
A lot of homework. Okay, I do a lot of homework at school. Very good. So that is working hard. So you are working hard doing your homework because mostly, so homeworks that we have at school, there are a lot. So when we finish when we finish this or those homeworks, so we are hardworking. So you work hard to finish your homework. So that is hardworking. So can you try to make a sentence, Dan, using the word hardworking? Can you try? Can you try to make a sentence using the word hardworking? Like for example, I am hardworking. How about you? Can you make your own sentence? Can you make your own sentence about the word hardworking? Hmm. You can think of your mother or father. Are your mother and father hardworking?
Mm, I don't know.
I don't know. Really? What is the occupation of your mother and father?
I think my mother
Mhm.
hardworking medicine.
Oh, nurse, right? Your mother is a nurse?
Yes.
Okay. How about your father?
Um, my father hardworking uh work
Hmm?
work computer.
A computer. Your father works as a computer engineer? Like that? Something like that? Or as an IT?
Um
Or office worker?
see a person.
Salesperson? A salesperson? He is a salesperson. Oh, okay. So we can make a sentence out of those things that your mother and father do as working or working hard. So we can say my mother and father are hard working. They work as a nurse and a salesperson. So that is how we can make it as a sentence using the word hardworking. Okay, so next, so let's move on to our next. What is,
Like
Mhm. How do you read that one? It's,
lazy.
okay, very good. It's lazy. So we have hardworking. So what do we mean by lazy?
Uh, lazy is not not hardworking.
Very good. So when we say lazy, so these are the people who are not working hard. So they do not want to work. Okay. So do you know, do you sometimes do you feel lazy?
Uh,
Especially when doing homework.
I always lazy.
Ah, really? Why? But it's okay. It's normal to be lazy, but it's not normal if you continue being lazy. So you still work hard to finish all of the things that you need to do. So it's not good to be lazy because uh, you will not earn money if you will not work hard. So that's why we shouldn't feel lazy, especially when we become adults. So right now, you can still be lazy because you're still young.
Some
Yeah.
I
Sometimes,
sometimes I working hard.
sometimes only, not every day or every time.
Yes.
Really. Especially when there is a lot of homework, right? At school, it can be, we can become lazy because there are a lot of things to do and it's so hard to finish them all. That's why we get lazy. Yeah, but still, we need to finish those things that we needed to do because our teacher will get angry. Okay, so that is hardworking and lazy. So next, let's proceed to our next word. What is our
Have
next? It's
helpful.
okay, very good. So what do we mean by helpful, Dan? From the word help. Helpful. What is helpful? What do we mean by help?
Helpful is nice.
Yes, very good. Helpful is nice because these are the people who likes to help. So they have the personality that they like to help people, they like to help all of the things in the world. So that is being helpful. For example, one of the example of being helpful is helping your mom cook. So that is being helpful. You help your mom to cook. You help your mom to wash dishes. Okay. How about you, Dad? Do you help your parents at home?
My mom to
Mhm.
do housework.
You help your mom? Help a mom to do housework?
Yes.
Oh, that means you are helpful. So that is being a helpful. So even if it is a small effort or a big effort, as long as you are helping other people, you are helping other things. So that is being helpful. How about at school? Are you helpful to your friends at
Yes.
school? How do you help your friends at school?
Uh, do not uh homework.
Okay, so I help my friends to do homework at school. Okay, very good. So that is one example of being helpful, especially at schools. Good job. So that is our word. So let's proceed to our next word. Okay,
Quiet.
quiet. Very good. When we say quiet, what do we mean by quiet?
Mm.
Mhm.
Intro
It's
intro.
introvert. So they are introvert. They are introvert. Yeah. So quiet is one of the examples of the person who are introverted because
Shy.
quiet, when we say quiet, these are the people who doesn't talk much. So they don't want to talk. So they are just quiet. So yeah. So yeah, these are mostly introverted person or people. So they are mostly quiet. Okay, so they want peace. Okay, and since we have here the word quiet, we have the word that is opposite of quiet. What do we mean by this word?
Talkative.
Okay, very good. This is talkative. When we say talkative, what do we mean by talkative? Since quiet, these are people who doesn't talk much. How about talkative?
Um, these are the people. who talk much.
Okay, very good. So these are the people who talk much or they talk a lot. That's why they said or they are being named as talkative. So like in the picture, so this girl is talking a lot. That's why the other girl she shut her mouth. So that is talkative. How about you, Dan? Do you think are you quiet or are you talkative?
Are I
In the middle.
quiet.
Ah, really? You are quiet? Why? I thought you are friendly, but you are quiet. Really? Or in the middle?
I talk
Mm-hmm.
much because I talk with my talk together.
Ah, so you talk much when you are with your friends. Is it correct?
Yes.
Oh, but with other people, are you also talkative? With other people that you don't know, are you talkative with other
Oh,
people that you don't know? For those people that you don't know, are you talkative to them? Are you talkative to them or no?
I
Because
don't know.
I really, because I am the opposite. So mostly when I do know the people or the person that I am talking to, so quite I am quiet. But for the people or the person that I don't know, so I'm much talkative because they don't know me, so I'm not shy. But for those people that who knows me, so I'm much quiet. So it's the opposite. I don't know why. Okay, so that is quiet and talkative. So when we say quiet, so you are right. These are the people who are introverted. So they are just quiet. They don't talk too much. But for talkative, so these are the personality of the people who are extroverted. So they like to talk a lot. So yeah, that is those are extroverted, and also we have another personality that is in the middle of um, introverted and extroverted. So I think it's half introverted, half extroverted. But let me just remember what is the term for it. Ah, we call it as ambivert. Ambivert. Okay, it's in the middle. Yeah, when we say ambivert, in the middle of being introvert and extrovert. So that means half introvert, half extrovert. Yeah. Like for example, when you know someone or when you are with your friends, so you are extrovert. But when you are not with your friends, you are introvert. So you are shy. Yeah, so that is ambivert. So it depends. It depends on the person itself. Okay. But for this one, the two most common personalities are introvert and extrovert. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so next, let's proceed to other examples of personality. Oh, this one is the most common also. Kind, very good.
Hi.
When we say kind, what do we mean by kind? This is the most common personality. What is kind?
Um, helpful. Hi
Very
is helpful.
Very good. Kind is helpful. Kind is being helpful. Because being kind, you are good and nice to other people. Like, for example, in this picture, so what is the girl doing in the picture? What is the girl doing? There is a grandma, there is a woman. what is she doing? So in this picture, she is helping grandma carry her groceries. Yeah, look. So she is carrying grandma's groceries. So that is being kind, especially when you are in public places and when you saw like older people or elder people that needs help. So when you are kind, so you help those people who are in need. Okay. So when we say kind, it is being good and nice to people. How about in your family, Dan? So who is kind in your family? Who is
I mom.
is your mom?
Yes.
Okay. So can you try to make it in a sentence? Who is kind in your family? My mom is kind
I
in
my family.
in our family or in my family. So very good. Okay. So next, so since we have kind, so we have here the opposite of the word kind. What is this one? And what is this?
Selfish.
Selfish. When we say selfish, do you have any idea what is selfish?
No. Selfish is not helpful,
Okay, very good.
not
Selfish.
kind
Mhm.
and nice.
Very good. Selfish is not helpful and not nice because those people who are selfish, they only think about themselves from the word itself, self. So they only think about their self. So they don't care about other people. They only care about themselves. So that is being selfish. Like in the picture, so she has a crown. So she thinks that she is the most. She is the only person that um, is on the top in this picture. So those are being that is being selfish. Okay. How about you, Dan? Do you know someone who is selfish? Do you know someone, or do you have a classmate that is selfish? I know. Oh, that's so good. Because being selfish, it's not good because you are just only thinking about yourself. But sometimes it's okay to think only about ourselves, but um, on a positive way. So we do not take advantage of being much selfish. Okay, so we still need to think about other people because we are not just the person that is living in this world. And yeah, so that is our word. And next, let's have another example of personality. What is this?
Careful.
Careful, very good. What do we mean by careful? Careful. When we say careful, okay. So when we say careful, Dan, so these are the people who thus thinks slowly. So they do not want to make mistakes. Like for example, when you are crossing the street, so you are being careful because um you might get or you might uh be on an accident. So you need to be careful, especially crossing on the road, crossing on the street. Okay, and especially when doing our homework at school. So we need to be careful to not make mistakes. So that is being careful. So you do things slowly, you do things correctly. Okay. Okay, so I think that it's the end of our time. So make sure to review the things or the words that we have from personality up to careful. Okay? And make sure also to review or to practice yourself on how to make sentences. Okay? Because we will practice your sentence construction in our next classes. Okay, okay? Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much, Dan, for your time today. And see you again next Sunday. Yeah, next Sunday. Goodbye. Thank you so
Bye, teacher.
much. And you can now sleep. Good night. Bye bye.